Darlings, let me tell you what the whole world needs. You need, I need, everyone needs immediate eye revival now, in seconds. Darlings, I've done it. I've done it with my scientists. My new immediate eye revival eye patches are a complete and utter game changer. Honestly, they retexturize, they revive, they revitalize, so much so that people think they've used AI, they think they've used a beauty filter when they see themselves on camera. We, darling, are all exhausted. Yes, we are, darling. Long hours, screen fatigue, we're living in generation exhaustion. Where does it all go and where does it all show? Around the eyes. And that is why everyone, but I mean everyone, and I will tell you, I have sat at lunches with 75-year-old men. I have 18-year-olds, all my celebrity clients, everyone. I mean, I honestly, these eye patches I have had to keep under lock and key. I can't tell you. And my sister, my nieces, my mother, I am telling you, everyone has tried to steal them. These work. This is not just surface level application. I'm telling you, this is esthetician level results. Results you see immediately that increase over time. Yes, not just in seconds. You see like, oh my God, have I been digitally retouched? Actually, but then increase over time. I have created a first of its kind eye depuff smooth biomesh technology. Take that in. That is the innovation, that innovative, transformative formula that has never been seen before for the eye area. I can tell you, I have used ice, I have used eggs, I've used camel tea bags, I have used putty, I have used every trick, you name it, I did it. And this literally has changed my life. These eye patches are clinically proven to smooth, brighten, depuff, and reduce the appearance of dark circles, wrinkles, and fine lines. I cannot tell you how much they have reduced my wrinkles and fine lines around my eyes. They were so much worse before. Not only was it the puffiness that I used to really get me down, but the fine lines and wrinkles. And over time, I use them every single morning. I use them every evening if I'm going out. They have reduced my lines so radically around my eyes. They hydrate the skin around your eyes. They plump, they lift, they snatch. They literally do it all. Darlings, these are my mini miracle workers. These are my miracle workers. This is immediate eye revival now. But just look at the difference. You can see immediately, and then after 30 days, darling, this is plumping, lifting, smoothing, snatching, sculpting effects of shapewear for the eyes. This is immediate eye revival. When I'm doing makeup for red carpets or backstage, I need instant transformation, especially around the eyes, because the eyes show up every sign of fatigue. And quite frankly, everybody needs these right now. But other patches would leave a sticky residue on the skin, which is a nightmare for makeup application. These you can apply over makeup, which is amazing. I wear them under sunglasses. They are incredible. So I challenge my scientists and innovation labs to create an eye patch design that would target every single under-eye concern at once. An eye patch with quick absorption that would create the perfect canvas for makeup and that would stay in place without slipping or dripping or sliding, with immediate visible results that are clinically proven to increase over 30 days. And let me tell you, they work. It revives and rejuvenates the under-eye skin matrix over 24 hours with an incredible cumulative effect the more you use them. And darlings, I'm joined by my Director of Scientific Development, Jonathan, who's going to help me explain the innovation that powers these revolutionary eye patches.
These eye patches really are a game changer. The power and the immediacy of the results we see with these patches is phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
These before and afters show it, but we're going to demonstrate it for you all in real time.
Yes, my darling. Right, gorgeous Jude here. We are going to use one of my fabulous immediate eye revival eye patches. Will you hold those for me, darling? Marvellous. I'm just going to pop that here underneath your eye to show. And I know you've just got off a plane. I'm going to show how amazing these are. and transform Jude's eyes before your eyes. Jude has just arrived here from a late long-haul flight, which always makes eyes so tired and dehydrated. Where does it show the most is the eyes, always, with everything, stress, lack of sleep, emotions, happy, sad, everything, eyes have it, darling. They will always show the most.
The skin around our eyes is some of the thinnest, most delicate skin on the body. So it's the first place we see symptoms of stress, lack of sleep, or poor diet with dark circles and puffiness.
I always say you should think of the skin on the face like a mattress. As we get older, we need next generation formulas that can hydrate deep into the layers of the skin to revitalize the complexion, like respringing and repairing a mattress layer by layer, to make it plump, firm again. These patches have the power to plump and restore the surface of the skin, lifting and contouring the eye area, smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles, so when you apply makeup, it's like a pristine bedsheet pulled over a plump, smooth mattress, because it's retexturizing the fibers of the matrix of your skin, which is quite amazing underneath the eyes. They retexturize, they refresh, and they revitalize. And it's all because of my incredible cushion, absorb, lock technology. I finally revealed it to you, darlings. That is what is inside these magic miracle workers.
It's an advanced delivery system that acts like a second skin mesh on the surface of the under eye. That's what's behind the incredibly fast absorption. And it's got a hyaluronic acid mesh matrix, which forms a second skin film that instantly soothes and cushions the skin with a powerful hydrating complex that's slowly released. And it's infused with soothing allantoin, which comforts the skin.
And that's what locks in my innovative BioSmooth Eye Contour Complex.
Yes, the complex is a magic ratio of ingredients that work in perfect synergy to target every under-eye concern at once. The science here is truly at the forefront of biology. The complex is infused with an incredible biotech ferment that's found in the sea breeze near the island of Tonga.
Oh my God, I love that sea breeze from the island of Tonga, because I love the ions that you can connect with this. It boosts hydration, elasticity, and firmness for that, yes, my darlings, immediate eye revival. It's incredible.
It's rich in peptides, amino acids, carbohydrates, lipids, and phytochemicals, working as a potent regenerative antioxidant, as well as boosting the skin barrier, which is so important for that delicate under-eye skin.
And puffiness, darlings. You know I can't bear it. Sometimes I feel like Puff the Magic Dragon. Not with these anymore, darling. People cannot believe how much my under-eye area has improved. My fine lines, my wrinkles, the texture of my skin that was getting much weaker, quite frankly, and really showing up. So I couldn't combat my signs of fatigue. You could really see them. And literally from late nights, just wrinkles appearing was really getting me down, I have to say. The way that these have got rid of so many of my fine lines and my wrinkles and reduced my puffiness, I feel they really are a pot of confidence.
That's because the complex contains supercharged derivative of Ayurvedic plant called coleus, which is actually derived from plant stem cells and has been proven to be more powerful than caffeine for combating the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and deep wrinkles. It's got glycerin that softens, plumps, and smooths the look of skin, and potent polyphenols that revitalize, lift, and beautify the look of the eye contour.
How much do we love a plant stem cell and a polyphenol? Amazing.
Supercharged.
Like supercharged, honestly, the technology and the way that we stretch the formulas to really, at Charlotte Tilbury, it's really a big thing for me to be able to stretch the formulas. So you've got so many actives, but really the genius of this, we have never seen this in any eye patch ever with these results. And I have literally scoured the world. So seriously, no one who has tried these can believe the instant eye lift effect. I'm telling you, darlings, this is smoothing, snatching, shapewear for the eyes. I mean, the miracle results of the before and afters on my eyes, impact is instant, but it also lasts when used continuously, which is what I love about these amazing eye patches is that it is not just instant, but it's continuous. And that's why they've improved so much. The texture, the fiber, the matrix underneath my eye is unbelievably changed.
Yeah, you have those amazing instant results, but if you use them every single day,
Yeah.
it just accumulates and your skin looks even better. You can wear them for 10 minutes, but we have developed a technology that sustains those results over time.
Darling, it's that cooling, soothing, depuffing sensation that everyone is obsessed with. So really, once you tried it once, you cannot be without these. That's what everyone who's tried them literally keeps telling me, or tries to steal them. I mean, they just want, they are a miracle worker.
It's also down to the design and shape of the patches. That cooling hydrogel cushion firmly hugs the curves of your facial contours for a grip that means they never slip or drop, unlike other eye patches.
I know, darling. I wear these everywhere under sunglasses. I will not, they're the first thing that goes on my face in the morning. I love keeping mine in the fridge because you have to try this, darling. Trust me, it takes that soothing, cooling sensation to another level. This is immediate eye revival.
And you even wear them over makeup.
Yes, always. I do, darling. Yes, you can wear them over makeup. I always do. I do this all the time, especially if I need that immediate eye revival. I'm on the way, kind of in between, you know, going either kind of have no time in the morning and I just have to get my makeup done. I just put them on top of my makeup. Or at the end of the day, I might use them again. And they're just amazing just to get that extra boost if I've really kind of like, you know, lacking in sleep or just really tired and had a quite full on day. They give that immediate hydration to the eye, that immediate kind of smoothness, snatchness. It's incredible. They just revive you instantly. And when I want to instantly smooth and soften fine lines and wrinkles, I wear them with the tail in the inner corner. And if I've had a late night or an early start, I switch them around to target puffiness and dark circles. It's whatever you need to target, but they are incredible, every which way you wear them.
And the long-term effects of these patches, if you use them consistently, is extraordinary. Rarely do you find this level of advanced skincare within eye patches. And it's not just these incredible before and afters. It was proven in our user trials, with 96% of users agreeing that puffiness appears reduced, 89% agree that dark circles appear reduced.
Do you remember we saw one girl who cried in the mirror because she thought they would never, her under eye circles would never, ever, ever disappear in that way? It was emotional for her.
And 91% agree that the area appears smoother and firmer, and 93% agree that fine lines appear reduced. They are clinically proven to reduce wrinkles. I'm telling you, if you wear these patches for 10 minutes a day for 30 days, you will be amazed.
You honestly, people will ask you, have you done something? That's what happened to me. And it's honestly, I can't tell you the confidence it's given me, the happiness it's given me is just incredible under eyes. And darlings, you have never seen a transformation like this. Look at Jude's under eyes. Look at that! Oh my gosh, can you believe what this has done? This has literally smoothed out any fine lines, any wrinkles. It's like you have a beauty filter on underneath your eyes, but you don't. You just have immediate eye revival patches. Can you believe these results? They're real. They're real. This works. It is miraculous.
Wow, you can truly see the difference. Let's compare with the other side. You were beautiful before, but you're definitely more beautiful after. I mean, you can see how much brighter the eye looks. It looks smoother, depuffed. Those fine lines and wrinkles appear reduced. It actually looks like you've had 8 hours of sleep. And all of that in just 10 minutes.
Jude, let me show you the mini miracles of my immediate eye revival patches.
What have you done?
Isn't
That is amazing. Charlotte!
Isn't that amazing?
I love it. I love it. Look, that is just, I've tried everything. Serums, I've tried potions, lotions, everything. But this, astonishing. Thank you. Thank you, Charlotte.
It really is a miracle worker for the eyes. It's like a time machine for the eyes. Can you believe those results? Can you believe that? Just with one patch in 10 minutes.